What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. Today I'm going to do one thing to this Girsan. This is just going to be a kind of a quick, fast, and hurry video. I got some grip screws from Cool Hand grip screws. You may have heard me saying before how I do not like these grip screws. I mean, I know it's something small. I know that people may be like, why are you even worried about the grip screws? I don't know. This is my gun OCD kicking in. I do not like these grip screws though, so I'm going to change them out. And these are they kind of look like shells that then hit something and mushroomed out. But I don't know what the design is for these, but these are screws for Beretta. So let me go ahead and take these old screws. Take these old screws out. There's one. There's the other. All right, let's open these on up, and hopefully I don't spray stuff everywhere. They have O-rings or washers. I have a whole bunch of them actually. It's probably just, let's see, put one on there, drop it in there. Got O-rings rolling everywhere. Let me get one more, put it on there. These use star key, so if I ever have to take them off, hopefully I can find a wrench. Whereas before, all I needed was a flathead. So I'm making life harder for myself just because I didn't like the way something looked. Boy, here we go. All right, so this is what this looks like with the different grip screws. Let's flip it over. I mean, I guess it gives it a more polished look. I guess it really doesn't really look that much different, but I do not like these flathead screws, so I have to change them. Hit me in the comments. Tell me if this is much ado about nothing, or do you pay attention to things such as grip screws and all that when you're doing your customizations? Do you go in and look at every little detail of the gun, or is it okay, these are just grip screws? Come on, dude. I cannot get that one. There it is. All right, let's go to this one now. Alrighty. So let's put the new ones in. O-rings scattered all over the table, and just so you can get a closer look at this. All right, so new grip screws. All right, hit me in the comments, tell me what you think, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, and go check out the video where I had this trigger and this base plate from Beretta installed. And hit that like, hit that subscribe. Johnny Snow up out.